Hi, my name is Francis, and today I'm really excited to show you Obior. So Obior is a web development website builder that's online and cloud-based. Nothing to download. All you need is login and password. It's packed with a lot of features. What I find so unique about it is that it has your dashboard. It has your template builders, custom custom coding, and then it has your linking to your social media. Also has a library of free images too. So what more can you ask for? And the bonus is that it has free hosting. So let's get started and let's go right into the dashboard. So what I love about this site is immediately when I go in, I feel my eyes are very calm. I don't see a lot of clutter because a lot of times I go website, I get very overwhelmed, especially I'm new. But this just divides everything that you need in four main categories. So it makes it very easy for a newbie to come in. And even if you get stuck, if you go in the dashboard, you can go right to their tutorial. And I think it's quite intuitive that anybody would probably be able to use it. It could be for someone that's a SEO that don't have much time to build a site. This could be for you because it's simply everything's in one place. There's right here, you've got your dashboard, see your insight. Now I just started, so I wouldn't have much information here. You could also connect to your domain, or you could use their domain. And up here, you could visit the site after you built your site. You can view it and test it. And down here, you get their social media. And if you get stuck, you can go to their chat. So let's move on to the content area. So the content area is where you build your pages, your widgets, and your pop-ups. So I'll talk a little bit about each one. So here, when you click on your page, you can simply add a page, and there's so many options once you click on here that you never get stuck. There's news, you could announce or create Twitter, photo, team, YouTube, about, even link to your music if you're a musician, your Facebook events. So you name it. iFrame, sometimes you want to put YouTube, or you could link to YouTube also. So, and the great thing about it is it has like the main categories that you normally would use, which is home, news, contact, about, and video. And you could drag this around. Let's say I put about down here. I can move it up there. I have my little gear where I could click on. And I could simply, if I don't I don't want to show videos anymore, I could simply click on the gear and I could hide it or I could show it. And you could see here, I could also change the name of it, read more text, more videos, and then I could put my keywords. Now, keywords is very important to help you rank higher in the search engine. So I definitely recommend filling this and filling in the description. So let's edit a content. So once you go in here, I kind of played around with it and you can see what I have. So I could resize this photo and I could click into settings and I can add in my title again, my subtitle, my link. I want open new window or not. This is very great because I'm a web developer and a web designer, and I've been for over 10 years, so I'm used to doing it old school way with Dreamweaver, and usually I have to add in code for this, and I'm just amazed that everything is just right here. You can make the pictures clickable. You could even schedule. I mean, this is just so easy that I think anyone could use. You could add more photos. You could search, let's say, I want to search for a flower. Look at that. I think this is pretty. So I'm going to select that image and it's going to drop it into here, my photos. That is awesome. I'm going to increase the seconds just a little bit because I think that it's more user-friendly, not go too fast. So you could change the name right up here. Go back and you can look in your setting right here, as you can see. And so let's go into widgets. So with widget, it's a promotional tool that could help promote your brand and get your customer data. So you could embed your code of your widget right in here, choosing this one widget, second widget. And then next is a pop-up. A pop-up is where you could add more features like to get people to collect the emails or get people to visit your Facebook, get people to visit your Twitter. So it's kind of like the action bar where you have your call to action, where you could send your email, your contact information, get more followers, get more people to join your link, more promotion, your Facebook page. You also have your social media bar here, which you could hide or show. I definitely recommend to show. So you just simply drag it over as many as you want. And then just put in your handle, as easy as that, and click on save. Oh, let's do the browser icon. So the browser icon is this little, it's called fave icon right here. And what you could do is you can go, and I have one made already. I'm going to choose Smile, and it's an ICO file. And there's generators for that. You could go up and look in Google and then find the generators. It can make you this file. So once I made it, you could see the preview, the little smiley face. Or if I want to change it back, I'm going to go to this one. It's very easy. So I love that. So let's go back into your design. So in the design tab, so as you can see, I've connected to the Facebook. I have my logo, which I think that it should be probably a little bigger. And you saw the flower that I chose. And then it has my home, my news, my contact, and my about, and my videos. So no content yet. And everything, my background that I chose too. I mean, how quick is that? How quick? And this actually pulls in my Facebook feed. So, and I could go here and change my font. Let's say I could choose my menu. Pull this over here. So you have all these options to globally change things. Makes it very, very easy to use. Like the name, let's say if I want to change it to blue, mouse over your menu. You have all these options here. Social media icon bar, font size. Maybe I want to increase it. You see how it goes back and forth? Full here. This here has testing your desktop, see how your website looks, and your tablet. Now everybody has their mobile phone, so you have to be very mindful of that. I love that you're able to preview and see that in here. And here you could select the background. That's why I had the purple galaxy background. And then this is where I selected my logo, where you see somesai logo. This is my logo right here, which is this one. So, and my setting is all set. And I want to choose a different theme. Within a click of a finger, I can just browse my theme and just simply find one here and just change it. Choose, I could preview it first, see if I like it. And if you do, simply choose this theme here. So there we go, it's checked. I mean, look right here, you can see my history. And I also, if I wanted to restore my site, I can go back. Let's say I made a change or a mistake. I can restore back to June 14th and simply click on that. And my site will go back to the way it was. And then if I wanted to add in custom CSS, I could put in here. If I don't like the design here, I could change anything. This is great if you're a developer. So you could put in your HTML here too. You could also add in Google Analytic codes if you have it. Put in your tracking code. So overall, I think this is a very easy to use tool. It has so many different features. I absolutely love it. So let's talk about prices now. So for a starter plan, it's only $647 bill monthly. And then The Pro plan is $10, and you got more 10G gigabyte, 5GB storage, and you have custom browser icon connect to your Google Analytics. Like I said, you could put your tracking code in, and it connects your analytics, your retargeting code. So, and then $14.99 a month, you could connect to, let's see, you have a little bit more where you could have custom HTML and CSS. So depending on your level, if you're a person that's just starting out building websites, then I would really recommend the Pro, because these prices are very reasonable for what you're getting. You can start for free and you could just test it. But if you're a person like me who's been a web developer that's used to building their own code and like to change things a little bit and customize, then I think it's totally worth to get the $14.99 plan. And I love that there's free hosting, because that's a pain, like I feel like this website to me saves me a lot of time, a lot of headache. I'm a person that before, without this, when I design a site, I would need Dreamweaver. I would build my code. I mean, the pages I have to build from scratch. I had to find the graphics and then resize that. So everything is done for me in here. So I'm really amazed at such a low price that you can have all these features. And as a web developer and a web designer, I can't believe that this is packed all in one. I would build all the templates in Dreamweaver, and then I have to test it in different browsers. I love how I could do all this within like probably half hour, have a website up and running. And if I change my mind, I could quickly just update my template. I really, really love this, and I think that it's a must-have as a web developer, and even as someone who's just building a site. I think that's a good way to learn and see how things are. It integrates all your social media and everything. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I love making videos like this. Leave me suggestions if you'd like me to review any other type of applications. I would love to, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have a great week.